No rin.
And then this one, my friend. Where you come from, my friend? India. This one, India. All the guy here, India, Ghana, Philippines, combined together.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Making a great job here in shutdown. Gaza. That's my friend. Nakita ko yung kaibigan ko, si kaibigan Jerry. Lalapitan natin, parang malungkot si kaibigan Jerry. Yan, si kaibigan Jerry. Kaibigan Jerry! How are you?
I'm fine.
This one, my friend. What's your name, my friend?
Jerry.
Ha?
Jerry.
Gawi?
Jerry.
Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah. Friend Jerry from Ghana. Nigeria?
Ghana.
This one, Ghana. Where is the Ghana?
West Africa.
Ah, West Africa,
Yeah.
Ghana, yeah. Say hi to my Philippines.
Hello, how are you?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, we are doing good here, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my friend.
Ah,
Very
my
good friend. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jerry.
Wow.
Jerry.
Yeah. Jerry.
Yeah. Say hi, Philippines. Hi, Philippines.
Yeah.
Hi, Philippines. Say hi.
Yeah. Hi.
Philippines.
Philippines.
Yeah.
Wow. The temperature, yeah,
Yeah, temperature.
is the same like here.
Ah, here in Saudi.
Here, Saudi here.
Ah, same.
Like this weather, this Jazan.
Ah, just
The same temperature. Yeah, the same
There, huh?
same Ghana, same thing. Like this now. What's it the time now? I think 3, yeah, 2 something.
320.
The same thing.
Same temperature.
The same temperature.
But a lot of trees there, huh?
You see?
A lot of trees.
Yeah, tourist people, a lot of trees. Yeah.
No rain.
And then this one, my friend. Where you come from, my friend?
India.
India. This one, India. All the guy here, India,
Ghana.
Philippines,
Yeah.
combined together.
Yeah, that's good.
That's good. Making a great job here in shutdown. Gaza. That's my friend. Yun mga idol. Panibagong umaga, panibagong pag-asa. Nagsimula na yung shutdown namin dito. Yan, dito na ako sa loob. Shutdown namin simula na. Simula na ang trabaho mga idol. Bakbaka na. Tingnan nyo yung area namin mga idol. Tsaka yung ginagawa namin dito.